Yeah, a bit of a strange one. It's not technically a hike as such, more of a walk, and there's not really any official instructions, really sketchy, but I'm going to try and find my way into this Turner's Hill. Well, there's the masts anyway, so let's keep going. I think it's probably closed off the main mast bit, but let's keep going and have a look, shall we? While we're here, treat ourselves. Nice stinger, Ali. Takes you back to your kids' days, man. What the? Public footpath. Nice, isn't it? There you go. Yeah, so it's just barbed wire when you get to the mast part. I want to just go around to the left and have a look. I'm not sure, to be fair. I think the main views are back on the public footpath I found off that St Braides Close, whatever it was called. Yeah, so I found a path across the field, but you can see there, just all border, all gated off. Well, that's a golf course, isn't it? That must be that Dudley Golf Club. So bit of a strange one this, but I'm glad I done it, to be honest. So yeah, as you can see, it's not much here really, apart from that mast. I mean, the other side of that public footpath across the road, it's nice there, that's where you get the views. But I mean, this bit here, there's nothing here really. It was good to get the drone on the go. Oh, that's a nice view though there, isn't it? Look. See the M5 in the distance there. Birmingham city centre. When I've drove past this hill, been down the M5 countless times, seen this hill here, just never really realised you could I'll not go up it as such, but I suppose there's a bit of an incline from that close, but yeah, glad I done it. Now the West Midlands, not as bad as you think. Just the accent that's terrible. Oh, mine is. So I apologise for that. I like to speak Scottish or something, but I don't think so somehow. Well, that's it then, back to the start. If you're interested in doing that walk in the future, it's St Braides Close, and directly opposite that is the entrance, and you just follow it towards the mast basically. Now I'll show you. Cheers guys, see you next time. unfortunately, I'm back on the road. Some people have got a camera crew. Not me. A bag of shit. Bagger.